How to successfully sow all kinds of cabbage in pots. For that we need a 7cm pot that we will fill with seedling soil. We lightly press it down, shake it a bit and level our soil. We're using seeds right here. This is cauliflower. So it's black seeds and we're going to sow them very sparsely in our pot. So count about 20 seeds for a 7cm pot. That will be more than enough. We're going to mix them lightly to distribute them well. And I bring a little bit of soil on top. I press it down and I water with a spray bottle. You definitely shouldn't soak it too much. Just on the surface. There we go, now our pot is well watered. We're going to leave it in the light slightly warm. And the secret, 15 days later, we have cauliflowers that have already sprouted. So now we're going to be able to transplant them. We have barely 10 cauliflowers left inside. And we're going to transplant them into pots. So for that we're going to use some potting soil, mixed horticultural, why not, with our seedling soil. And we're going to transplant them one by one. And we transplant. I'm taking my cauliflowers out of the pots. I'm keeping the label for the cauliflower. And there we have our cabbages. And gently, without using the stems too much, we're going to transplant them into our pots. We make a good hole, we slide it to the bottom. We gently press down on each side. Barely. There we go. Now our cauliflowers are transplanted. Sow into 7cm pots, still in my special potting mix, blended with horticultural soil, practically half and half. A good watering after that. We're always going to use our sprayer. The soil must not be compacted or too packed. Once our cauliflowers are well watered, we're going to place them out of the frost, under a tunnel, why not, or under a frame. And as soon as they are well developed, at that point, we can transplant them permanently into the vegetable garden, counting at least another month.